Hi, safety. The safety is not a paperwork, it's a people's work. Safety is the priority for communication, problem solving, and building a community. Building strong people and competence. It's not just ticking the checklist, just going and seeing the things, having the safety checklist and ticking the checklist and signing. It's not like that. It's not a finding out the PPE compliance, whether people is wearing the PPE or not, and giving the punishment or warning the things. It's not a safety officer work. It's not a risk assessment preparation and submitting and getting permit and approval. These are just paperwork. But what is real safety? It's a people's works. You have to develop competency safety people in the company or organization. The competent safety people work and practice as a safety work. Unsafe conditions, unsafe work always needs to be informed. These kind of things required. Always the communication is very important. Wherever the hazards, risks, dynamic hazards and risk, the safety professional has to be find out and also get the communications from the all the people in the organization, whether small hazards and risk needs to be communicated. This is the real safety work. Problem solving on site. When you are going for a site, there is a risk, there is a hazard, there is an issue. You have to finish or you have to clear the issue with your problem solving ability on site, because the site conditions always changed. The site condition in big organization on the big construction sites, they always changing the site conditions. In that site conditions, the paperwork will not give solutions. It will not give the solutions. Then the competent person has to be check the all the issues, health, safety and environmental impacts, hazards, risks in the sites. You have to find out the risks and it needs to be communicated, and you have to problem solved in the site itself and proper communication to the competent employees. And you have to think about behavior based safety when you are going for a site visit. When you are seeing the people or the employees, you have to find out the how they are working, how safely they are working, what are the strange behaviors they have, whether this person doing the safe work or not. By observing through your eyes and brain, you have to find out this person doing the safe work. Then if you found someone is doing the unsafe work, you have to bring the attention to the safety department and give the training for that guy, and it will reduce the accident and incidents. You are not a person to always check the checklist, audit the checklist and doing the paperwork and all. Paperwork is there, but the real safety professional work is on-site work through the communication, problem solving and finding out the hazards and risks and all the accidents and incidents solutions and prevention. Proactive safety is the tool for the safety professionals. When you are going for a site visit, you have to always a proactive person. You have to find out the hazards and the risk the others they don't know, or they didn't get it that much. But when you are a safety professional, when you are going for a safety visit, you must easily identify and solve the issues on site and communicate the employees and build a community, build an environmental and safety, health and safety community and competent employees to prevent any accidents and incidents, and also report all the near misses, because you are communicating the all the employees, competent employees, they are going to always inform the near misses. This near misses definitely help the people to reduce the accidents and incidents, and proactive safety is always in the ground. That will only save the safety department, and ticking the checklist and getting the work permit or making the risk assessments and auditing checklist. This is a paperwork, but on-site work only you have to be concentrate. What all I just told you, this all your site work, that will be the good safety professional work, that will yield only good safety departmental culture, and safety culture also grown overall industry, that will give the credit to the safety department. You just do it and get it a reward. Thank you.